Assalamu alaikum dear students. Good morning from Karachi, Pakistan. Hope you all are doing good, preparing for your CIE exams, your mock exams in a lot of students are having their mock exams in November and December. Okay, so we are preparing for you exclusively. We are here with the June 23 questions, question number 17 today. It is about the inclined plane topic. Okay, so you know that a block is released from rest, they are saying, and after the block is released, the block slides a distance x straight down the slope at an angle of theta to the horizontal. Okay, so the block is released and coming down. Okay, so you know that the motion is downward. It means here the weight component will be mg sine theta, and you know that opposing the motion, because the slow block is coming downward, so there will be always the friction on the opposite side of the motion. It means if the block is going downward, the friction will be towards the top side, upside of the slope. Okay, so friction will always oppose the motion of the object, that is friction will oppose mg sine theta. Okay, or however it is saying afterwards that the frictional and air resistance is negligible. Okay, so we will take this friction as 0. Okay, plus the acceleration of free fall is g, then only find the final speed of the block. Okay, so you know that in the inclined plane we have the resultant force, by which resultant force is always some unbalanced force, because when this mg sine theta component will be subtracted from the friction, whatever the force is left, by that force it will move downward. Okay, but in this case no friction force, so we will write. Okay, so first take this downward, the force, the direction in which the block is going, it will be taken as plus, because the block is going downward, and the friction is always opposite, so it will be negative. So we will take mg sine theta and minus f. Okay, so here the friction is negligible, so place 0 into the place of friction, and resultant force is always ma. Write ma, this mg sine theta and 0. 0 means I will not write here anything. Okay, 0, friction force is 0, so you can say it is minus 0. It is okay. Okay, and so when you cancel out m and m, you get a equal to g sine theta. Okay, but right now you see that they are asking, we are here, we come to this conclusion whenever the block is going downward and no friction is there. Okay, but they are saying that what expression gives the final speed of the block. It means, however, we need to manipulate, we need to transform this formula so that there will be some velocity type things coming. Okay, and you can also see that in this the distance is also coming. Here you see in every formula x and speed, so it means we need to have some type of formula where the final speed and the distance plus the initial speed is also coming, because it is released from rest. Okay, so initial speed is also coming. We know that we have equation of motion, Stewart equations, so we'll use some Stewart equations, because you know that v square equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, and basically we don't need acceleration. You can see that this a on the left hand side is not coming anywhere. Acceleration due to gravity is there into the answers, but we need to replace a. Okay, so we will replace a with something, that is we are doing right now. Okay, So initial velocity is 0 because the block was released from rest. So take this u as 0. So we will be getting v square equals 2as, and this implies that a is equal to v square divided by 2s. Okay, it is simple. And here you see the velocity is coming and distance is coming. Okay, so we will just place this acceleration here in this formula. So we will get v square. I am direct placing in place of a. I am writing v square divided by 2s. The right hand side remains same, and then we need to transform it. We need to make velocity as the subject. So we will move all other things to the right hand side. Okay, so just see that v square equals 2s g sin theta. On the right hand side it is remain as it is, 2s from left to the right. 2s comes from the left to the right. Okay, and for it, in order to make the subject v, because we need the final speed of the block, so take the root 2gs sin theta. Okay, so s is our symbol from the formula, but they says that the distance covered is this x. Okay, so we will replace in terms of the distance here is x, so we will replace x with x. Okay, so we will replace this x 2g, and this x we will replace this with x. Sin theta remains the same. So just match the option and you will find the correct answer. That is basically option B. Okay, this is option number B. So B will be the right answer. Just match it, 2gx sin theta. This is all from the inclined plane question, June 23, paper 1-2, question number 17. Kindly like, share and comment my channel, subscribe it, so that you can get more fantastic and exciting videos, and you can get the answers of a lot of complicated questions. Thank you.